All right, I've got the gas tank repainted, pretty well color matched. What I've done is I've got about 5 layers of paint on this, different colors, trying to match the look of this. So I actually do have that red in there, and I've got some like a light gray. That's one of the layers. What I'm going to do is attempt to distress the paint and see if I can get some of those colors to come through in a way that would make it look kind of like that, so it doesn't look out of place. If it sucks, if it's stupid, I will sand it smooth and reapply this paint job and just call it a day. But I want to take a chance at making it look interesting, so wish me luck. All right, not too bad. I think it came out okay. It's interesting. And it doesn't look perfect and brand new like it doesn't belong there, so we'll see. I'll set it aside and kind of look at it and see how I feel for the next few days, but I think I'm going to leave it that way. Looks kind of cool. All right. Ended up thinking about it a little bit, and also sent a picture to a friend of mine, and we both agreed, yeah, the previous wasn't enough sanding, and ended up distressing it quite a bit more, and I like it a lot better. So got a clear coat on it, and we're gonna leave it like this, and let's move on to the rest of the process.